Hello, this is Verity from Expert Agent and welcome to your video training, and on this video we are looking at creating and using QuickLinks. Now this video has come about because a lot of agents do ask us about the ability to create your own custom QuickLinks, and so I'm going to show you how to create your custom QuickLinks and then also a couple of tips on how to use QuickLinks and where you can use them from. So looking at what we're going to cover on this video, we're going to have a think about an introduction to QuickLinks. We'll then look at creating your custom QuickLinks and then some QuickLinks tips. So first of all, an introduction to QuickLinks. So you can use your QuickLinks from your home page, your dashboards and your right toolbar. So into Expert Agent, you use your QuickLinks from your home page. It's one of the places you can use them for, and you can get to your home page by clicking on the Expert Agent logo in the top left-hand corner of the screen. And that will open up your home page. Now your homepage is set up on your introductory training, so this should be set up how you need it to, but if you need to set it up, you go to Tools in the top menu and select My Profile. From the bottom of My Profile, you select the Configure Homepage button and you tick which pods you want to show on your homepage. So I'm going to untick a few that I don't need to see and think about having some of the QuickLinks pods as well. So ticking some of those QuickLinks pods and pressing the Save button down at the bottom. Save again on this screen, and our new pods will be at the top left-hand corner, and you can click and drag and move them around. Make sure that you are putting them in the right place so that they are sliding into place before you let them go. Now you can see I've already got some QuickLinks set up on my applicant dashboard. We will look at going and setting up your QuickLinks on your dashboard in a minute, but those are the applicant QuickLinks that I've got set up on the applicant dashboard. These are ones that I've got set up on my viewing dashboard, and these are ones that I've got set up on my property dashboard. So the ones from your dashboard will pull through onto your home page. So hovering over applicants in the top menu and selecting dashboard, dashboards are all the same, they all work the same and show you snapshots of the relevant information, and it can help you find singular records with regards to whatever area of Expert Agent you're in. The only thing that is configurable on a dashboard, and it's configurable for all dashboards, is the QuickLinks pod in the bottom right hand corner. So pressing on the cog icon will open up a list of QuickLinks that you can have saved on your dashboard, and if you've got the corresponding QuickLinks pod on your homepage, those will go through to there as well. At the top you've got saved selections. Now those are what we're going to think about creating in the next section of this video, is creating your own custom QuickLinks, and any that you had created will be in this section here. You've then got QuickLinks here, which are the ones that we have created for you, and in those you have got My Office, and scrolling down a little bit further you've got group ones. So depending on how you work within your office, you will decide whether you want to use the My QuickLinks, Office QuickLinks or Group QuickLinks. Now Group QuickLinks are only for people that need to see across the board of multiple branches. Office QuickLinks are ones that for people that need to see the entire office, and obviously My are your own personal ones, your own applicants, the ones that you've added in the system. So the idea of the dashboard is it gives you an overview as well as helping you find singular records, but generally it will give you an overview of your selected area. So we're looking at applicants at the moment, so bearing that in mind, we'll need to think about an overview or which QuickLinks we want to see from the applicant dashboard, and therefore from our homepage as well. So depending on your job role, so if you are in charge of doing matching, you might need to think about the never been matched ones or ones matched in the last fortnight. If you are a negotiator and need to keep on top of the applicants that you need contact with, then you'll need to have a think about the Office next contact due or your My next contact due. If you do a lot of the viewings, you're booking the viewings in, then maybe you'll need to think about these ones, the ones with no viewings. If you're an administrator, you might need to think about scrolling down to the bottom, ones with no email addresses and ones with no mobile numbers. Okay, so thinking about which ones you need to think about or which ones you need to see, and then pressing the save icon down at the bottom. You've also got the ability to do that for all dashboards. So your landlord dashboard, your property dashboard, the viewing dashboard, the tenancy dashboard, the offers dashboard, and the maintenance dashboard as well. So you've got the option for all of those to create your own quick links and to have a list of quick links on those dashboards. So going to the properties one, just to give you an idea of what sort of property quick links you have, clicking on the cog icon down at the bottom, you've got things like the gas check due, the safety checks due. You've also got ones with no brochures, so maybe you'll need to think about those and things like that. PAT due. So you decide which quick links you wish to show on your dashboard and then on your homepage. Now moving on to your right-hand toolbar, or thinking about your right-hand toolbar. The right-hand toolbar is available from the top right-hand corner. It is that pale blue box there with the white arrow in it, and when you hover over it, it will go pink. Now if you don't have that box, you need to configure it by going to Tools, My Profile, and clicking on the Show Right Toolbar tick box. Now opening up that right-hand toolbar there will give you a selection of different quick links that are available on your right-hand toolbar. Now the idea of the right-hand toolbar is you have, as I said, a different selection of quick links here. These are ones that you need to maybe think about throughout the day, ones that you don't need to just think about once, and things like that. So we've got there, for example, the new website registrations. Now that number will tick up throughout the day as more people are registering from your websites, also registering from Rightmove as well, if you have the Rightmove applicant import turned on. Scrolling down then in the right hand toolbar, we've also got viewings quick links. Now I would have those on my right hand toolbar just because those are things like the pending viewings. So those are viewings that are left in the diary with a status of pending. The viewings to chase, now those are viewings that I need to get the feedback from the applicant for. And then viewings to feedback, now those are ones that I've got the feedback for but I need to give it to my vendor or my landlord. Possible problem offers I might want to keep in my right hand toolbar. Possible problem reserved tenancies I might need to keep in my right hand toolbar. It is entirely up to you which quick links you keep in your right hand toolbar, and then as I said, it is a different selection of quick links. The ones that you use in your right hand toolbar will not go onto your dashboard and will not go onto your home page, so you need to think about which ones you want to have on your right hand toolbar. Clicking the Edit button will open up a long list of all available quick links within the system, so not just for your applicant, but also for property, viewings, offers, landlord, tenancy, maintenance, and financial quick links if you're using lettings financials. Again, you've got the My, Office and Group, and you select which ones you wish to show on the right hand toolbar and press the Save icon down at the bottom. Within that list, again, you will have your applicant selections, property selections, landlord selections as well, and those, as I've mentioned before, are your saved selections, your custom quick links that you have created. So let's have a think then about creating custom quick links. So accessing the grid you wish to use to create your quick link, filtering your selection, and then saving and sharing the selection criteria. So there are a number of reasons why you would create your own custom quick links. For example, this one here, the office was next contact you today. Now those are vendors where the contact date is due today. Now you might think that actually that's a little bit too soon. You might want to keep an eye on your vendors with the next contact due within a week rather than today. On the applicant dashboard, you've got all of your applicants, but you might want to filter even more on that. You might want to create a link for your commercial applicants, one for your lettings applicants, one for your sales applicants if you do all three within your business. All right, so you might want to have your, if you separate out and one group does the sales applicants, one group does the lettings applicants, have your lettings applicants with no email address and your sales applicants with no email address. It is entirely up to you. What you're doing with the custom quick links is creating your own quick links. So whatever you need to see, however you need to filter the grid in a selection or filter on the grid that you will use quite a lot, that's how you would use your custom quick links. So going with an applicant option then, so we're going to go with hovering over applicants and selecting grid and select our commercial applicants. So in the department then, we'll select into the department, untick all and select commercial. And that will filter on just our commercial applicants. And if we add any more applicants that are commercial, they will go into this grid as well. So that was quite a simple one. So on there, we can then right click or open up your action menu from the white list icon over on the right hand side and select Save Selection Criteria. So you give your selection a name, and this is the name for your quick link. Give it any further notes if it needed it, but this one doesn't. And I'm going to share it, meaning all other agents within my company can use this quick link as well. Press the save icon down at the bottom and our selection is now saved. Going on to the applicant dashboard, our commercial applicant quick link will automatically be in your quick links pod, meaning it will automatically be in the quick links pod on your home page. If you want that in your right hand toolbar, you will need to configure it by opening up your right hand toolbar and clicking edit. And you can see there your applicant selections are up at the top. So thinking about a properties one then, so clicking onto the properties grid. So doing a little bit more of a complicated one, I'm going to go with the example of vendors due contact within a week. And I just want my sales vendors at this point. So again, on the department, I'm going to untick all and just tick sales. So I don't have any of my commercial properties in there, and I don't have any of my lettings properties in there. I've got my next contact due field here, and that's my column. If I needed to move the column, I can right click and choose columns and move the next contact due up a little bit. Press the save icon and that will move that column up to the second column in the grid. Now I'm going to use this column not just by typing into the date field here, by pressing the calendar icon to the right of that date field. And I'm going to use the auto refresh dates. If you want a specific date field, so if you do want your vendors that are due contact from the 20th of October to the 26th of October, then use the options here. If you want them from today for a week, and then tomorrow you want them from tomorrow for a week, and so on, you need to use the auto refresh dates down the right hand side. So in the top box, I'm going to select today and save. In the bottom box, I'm going to press the calendar icon again and select 1 week's time. So that's given me a selection of my sales vendors with the contact due for a week. Any vendors that are due contact after the 26th tomorrow will be in the quick link, but they're not in the quick link today. So I can right click now, save selection criteria, and give my selection criteria a name. Okay, so in the notes then, all sales vendors due contact within 7 days. Scrolling down again, I'm going to share this selection and press the save icon. So going on to Properties Dashboard, once again, that will now be in that grid there, and that number will change depending on what day we're looking at it. It will be on the Property QuickLinks pod on my homepage, and I can now put it on my right-hand toolbar if I want to as well by clicking the Edit button and scrolling down here to my Property QuickLinks. And there it is on my right toolbar. So you can do all sorts of things with those quick links and creating your own. You can filter on price ranges, on date fields, on numbers, on names, on departments, on branches, on negotiators as well. So all sorts of things you can filter on using your standard grid tips and then right-clicking and save selection criteria. Now let's have a think about some quick links tips, so using your quick links. So in Expert Agent on my homepage, I've got two quick links pods there that I need to use, my applicant quick links and my property quick links. Now quick links can be used to recognize who you need to call throughout the day, whether that's at the beginning of the day when you come back in the office or first thing on a Monday morning, for example. Now, as you can see there, I've got office with next contact due today, and those are ones that I absolutely have to get in contact with today because they are due a call at some point today. Again, the same with my applicant quick links. On the properties dashboard, so from the properties dashboard, I also got the quick links pod there, which shows me the same quick links as it does on the homepage, but from the dashboard, I've also got the numbers as well. So the sales vendors due contact within 7 days is 3, and I don't actually have any contacts, office contacts that I need to speak to today. So you can use your quick links either from the dashboard or you can use it from your homepage. You can use them from your homepage. Applicant dashboard, again, identifying who I need to speak to. I've got one who is due a call today, so I can click into that one and it will open up a pre-filtered grid with the applicant that is due contact today. So clicking into that one, opening up the information panel and showing his recent events will give me an idea of why I need to call him, whether we've had matches done for him, whether he's had a viewing recently and I need to get feedback, or whether it was just a simple case of he deserves a weekly catch-up this week or today. Your maintenance dashboard is quite a useful one to keep on top of, as it will have all of your maintenance jobs. So you can see that I have 46 maintenance jobs awaiting landlord consent. So using my quick links, I can work through those 46 jobs and hopefully get landlord consent for all of them if I've got enough time to do that today. So the idea with the quick links is to mainly help you identify who needs to call and which jobs need to be followed up quickly that day, whatever time frame you've set your quick links to show you. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video training. I really do hope you found it beneficial.